Welcome to Electronic Geek. In the last video, we saw about 2-bit magnitude comparator. We simulated the circuit and verified our results on Tinkercad. And in this video, we will see how to design higher order comparator circuits. Designing higher order circuits with the help of logic gates is not a feasible option. So we use specific ICs. In this video, we are going to design an 8-bit comparator using IC74HC85. So let's get started. So before starting with the actual circuit diagram, first of all, we will have to see the pinout of the IC and the purpose of each pin. So we will take the IC first, 7485. We'll use this 74HC85 and place it over here. So this IC is capable of comparing two 4-bit numbers. So pins from A0 to A3 represent the first number and pins from B0 to B3 represent the second number, where A0 is the LSB and A3 is the MSB. Same applies for the number B. And the output of this IC is expressed as A less than B, A equal to B, or A greater than B. So as you can see, there are these three inputs which are A less than B, A equal to B, and A greater than B are called as the cascading inputs. We'll see about them a bit later. In this video, we are going to design an 8-bit magnitude comparator with the help of 4-bit magnitude comparator IC. So we will be requiring one more stage of this IC, and that stage I'll place it over here like this. And we'll be requiring toggle switches. This is the toggle switch, and will require resistor and an LED, and we'll be using red LED. Yeah, the toggle switches will behave like the input pins, so we'll have to give our binary input data through these toggle switches. Okay, so before starting that, if you refer the data sheet of this IC7485, then it is clearly mentioned in the data sheet the connections for these three pins. In case of the first stage, okay, the first stage of the entire comparator circuit, A equal to B pin is supposed to be connected to plus VCC, and A less than B and A greater than B both are supposed to be connected to ground. This is recommended in the data sheet. And these three output pins while cascading, okay, this is only true while cascading, these three output pins are supposed to be connected to the input cascading pins. That is QA less than B will be connected to A less than B pin over here. Then same will be for this and same will be for this. So by that recommendation, the first thing that we'll be doing is we'll connect A less than B and A greater than B to ground. Place the ground and both are connected. I'll use a toggle switch to provide A equal to B plus 5 volts like this, and to 5. Now, whenever designing a higher order comparator with the help of the 7485 IC, it is always said that the lower stage or the first stage will be representing the LSB bits. So in this case, as we are designing an 8-bit comparator, okay, so this will be A0, A1, A2, A3, and this will be A4, A5, A6, and A7 like this. So the lower stage will be always connected to the LSB bits, and this will be to the MSB bits. So we'll connect the logic toggle switches. So over here you can see that all the toggle switches have been connected to their respective inputs, and now the output of the first stage is supposed to be connected to the cascading inputs of the second stage. So I will connect this A less than B pin to this one like this, and the same goes for this one like this, same for this. Now our circuit is ready. All we are left to do is connect an LED through a resistor and check our outputs. So we'll resistor this, and we'll connect an LED. And all the cathode terminals will be connected to the ground. So connect it like this, and we can place the ground terminal over here. Now we will have to even also change the resistor values. So skip it 350 ohms, 350 ohms, 350 ohms. So now we are ready for simulating our circuit, and let's check our outputs. So we'll simulate it and see all the bits are 0, meaning two 8-bit numbers both are 0. So A equal to B is on. Now you can check. So these are the MSB bits and these are the LSB. So let's try and change this. See, A greater than B. Now if I change this one, then A less than B will be high. See, and see this is high, whereas the rest of the two are off. So similarly you can check out for other connections as well. Now this was for 8-bit. Suppose if you have to make it a 12-bit. So what you will do is the same procedure that we have done over here, you will repeat it once again. Now there will be a third stage which will be having inputs, and you will connect those inputs to the toggle switch, and you will give high or low depending upon your input. And these outputs will not be connected to a resistor but will be connected to the input cascading pins of the third stage. And this is how you make an n-bit magnitude comparator circuit using 7485. Now regarding the values of resistor that I have chose, the value of this resistor will totally depend upon the output voltage supplied by each of these pins. So now you will have to check out the data sheet for that output voltage, and you will subtract forward voltage drop of this LED from this output voltage divided by the drive current of this LED. So under properties you can check out that forward voltage is 2.2 and drive current is 10 milliamp. So like this you can get the value of the resistor. So in this way you can keep on cascading multiple stages to make it a higher order magnitude comparator. I will leave the datasheet link in the description below so you can check out the other parameters of the IC as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much.